Save $500 this month with this simple budgeting method. Do you feel like your paycheck disappears before the month ends? You're not alone, but today I'm sharing the best budgeting method to help you save $500 in just 1 month. Stick with me, and I'll break it down step by step so you can take control of your money. Make sure to like and follow Financial Independence Inc. for money growth strategies. The first step is deciding on a budgeting framework. One of the easiest and most effective methods is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, things like rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% is for wants, like dining out or streaming services. 20% goes to savings or paying off debt. Next, track all your expenses for the month. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet. Seeing where your money goes is the key to finding areas to cut back. Now comes the fun part, saving money. Here's how you can cut $500 from your budget. Cancel unused subscriptions. Do you really need 4 streaming services? Cook at home. Meal prepping can save you $200 or more each month. Shop smarter, stick to a grocery list and avoid impulse buys. Negotiate bills. Call your internet or phone provider and ask for discounts. You'd be surprised how often they say yes. Set yourself up for success by automating your savings. As soon as your paycheck hits, transfer 20%, or whatever you can, into a separate savings account. Out of sight, out of mind, your savings will grow without extra effort. Lastly, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Even if you save $200 instead of $500, that's still a huge win. Track your savings and stay motivated. It's all about building a sustainable habit. Now you've got the tools to save $500 this month and take control of your budget. Let me know in the comments which tip you'll try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-saving tips. Financial Independence Inc., your path to freedom.